2, I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to be adding two two-digit numbers that cross the tens. I'm going to show you 2 different methods that you can choose from. Please make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper ready. The first method I'm going to show you is called the Pictur Method. Now let's have a look at our 16. I'm going to draw 6 ones because there are 6 in my ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In my tens column, I have 1 10, so I'm going to draw 1 10. Now let's have a look at our 38. In my ones column, I have got 8, which means I'm going to draw 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In my tens column, I have got 3, so I'm going to draw 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw them all together. So I'm going to start with my ones because it's really important that when we add, we always start with our ones. So I've got 6 ones here for my 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with my 38, I can see I've got 8 ones, so I'm going to draw those as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can see in this column I've got a little more over 10, so I'm going to try and exchange 10 ones for 1 10 stick. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to circle those 10 and I'm going to exchange it for a 10 stick. So now I don't need those anymore. Now we're going to look at our 10s. So back to 16, I've got 1 10, which means I'm going to draw a 10 over here. To my 38, I've got 3 10s, so I can draw 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my ones, and I can see I've got 4 ones here, so I'm going to write 4 over here in the ones column. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10 sticks, so I can write 5 in the tens column. So 16 add 38 equals 54. Using the same method we have just gone through, I would like for you to answer 24 add 19. Remember, it's really important that you start with your ones and don't forget to exchange 10 ones for 1 10 stick. Pause the video here and have a go. Okay, so 24 add 19 equals 43. For your 24, you should have drawn 4 ones and 2 10 sticks. For your 19, you should have drawn 9 ones and 1 10 stick. You would then draw it all together, count out 10 ones, cross it out and exchange it for 1 10. So you should be left with 3 ones and 4 10 sticks. So your answer is 43. Here are some questions for you to have a go at using the Pictur Method. Make sure to show you're working out and upload it to Tapestry for it to be marked. Pause the video here to have a go. Now I will be showing you the column method. We have got the number sentence 26 add 37. I've drawn a line down the middle just to make it really clear where our 10s are and where our 1s are. Remember, it's really important that we always start with our 1s first. So we are going to be doing 6 add 7. 6 add 7 equals 13. So I'm going to jot it here just to remind me what the answer is. I'm going to put the 3 1s from my 13 in the 1s column. But I've still got a 10 left over, so I'm going to carry it over and put it underneath the 10s column to remind me to add it later. Next, I'm going to add my 10s together. I've got the 2 10s from 26, add 3 10s from 37. That equals 5 10s, so it's 50 overall. However, I've still got my 1 10 from 13 to add 2. So 5 10s add 1 10 equals 6 10s. And I'm going to cross off my 10 here to show that I have added it in. So 26 add 37 equals 63. Now I would like for you to have a go at answering 38 add 24 using the column method. I've got some top tips written underneath just to help you out. Number 1, always start with your 1s column. Number 2, don't forget to carry over underneath the 10s column. And number 3, don't forget to add all your 10s together for your final answer. Pause the video here to have a go. So 38 add 24 would give you 62. You would have added your ones together first. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So I would put the 2 in my ones column and carry over the 10. Then 3 tens add 2 tens would give me 5 tens. Don't forget the 1 10 down here would give me 6 tens. So my answer is 62. Here are 3 questions for you to have a go at using the column method. Please put your working out on tapestry for it to be marked. Use Miss Gossager's top tips to help you answer the questions. Pause the video here to have a go. Thank you for watching the video. Please make sure that you put your work onto either tapestry or Facebook for your teacher to have a look.